Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Infinity on Infinity Craft. So let's get into the video. Open up Infinity Craft. So once you're on the workspace, so what are you going to do? You're going to start off with water. So add water and then add it with fire, and that's going to give you a steam, and then steam add it with fire, and you'll get an engine, and then engine add it with engine again. That will give you a rocket, and this rocket you're going to add it with another rocket, and that will give you a satellite. So you're just going to leave that satellite, and then now we're going to go and get some water with water. So add water and then add now some water again, and that will give you a lake. Then lake, what are you going to do? You're going to add it with this satellite here. So add it and you'll get Google. So once you get Google, then add with another Google here, and that will give you a Googleplex, and then add it with fire, and that will give you an Infinity, and that's pretty much it is. So hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.